What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize the Spotlight theme on your Shopify store. So let's get right to it. First of all, as you can see here, I'm on my Shopify account and my Shopify store is open. And to open the themes, you want to go to online store from the menu on the left, click on it, and by default the first page that is selected is themes. If it doesn't, you simply click on themes right here. And my current theme is the Spotlight theme, as you can see here. If you don't see it, or if it's not your current theme that has applied by default, you can simply scroll down here to the popular free themes, and you should see the Spotlight right here in the popular themes. Or you can go to themes here to search for Spotlight and add it. So if it's not the one that is currently in use or applied, simply click on add here. It'll install the theme and it will take a few moments. And once it's done installing, you can click here to customize it or click on publish to make it the default or current theme for your Shopify store. Now I need to customize it. All I need to do is customize it since it's already the applied theme. So click on customize. It'll open up in the theme editor. First of all, here in this drop down menu, you can choose the pages. So I'm on the home page right now, but you can view the product page, the collections, and the list of the pages themselves. To create here, you can create a template or create a page if you want to. You can preview how it will look like on a desktop, a mobile phone, or in full screen without the settings here on the left. Let's go back to the website. Now, you can edit all the sections. So for the header, this header is selected right now. You can edit the desktop logo position or the logo position that says my store. I haven't uploaded an image. You can also select an image as your logo. Now let's make it in the top center, for example. Okay, as you can see, the changes are applied instantly. Now I'll go to the theme settings in like a second. However, now you can get to select a menu. You can create a menu and you can view here the footer menu or the main menu and add them to your header. So here I have home, catalog, contact, and if I click on home, for example, I can edit the element itself. Okay, and now I can edit the main menu. I can change the menu here, or I can delete it if I want to. Now let's go back here, close this section. You can edit the desktop menu type to a mega menu or a drawer if you want to. So let's make it a drawer so that once you click on these menu items, you get to see them. Now you can add the header as a sticky header so that when you scroll down, the header still sticks to the top here. Now you can add the color scheme, okay, for the header and the menu color scheme so that when you click on the menu, it appears with this scheme right here. You can enable the language selector or country region selector. You can add spacing here, bottom margin, and top padding and bottom padding for the header. Now you can go to theme settings if you want to, or I'll just go back here to the header and I can view the template and the footer. So the template is like the main body. Here, if I click here on the featured collection, so if I click on like any item on the page itself, I can view the settings for this item. Let's go back really quickly. And you can also add sections or add a block. So under the header, I can add a block for the apps that I installed, like for CJ dropshipping, for example. I can add a section, a whole section for like an announcement bar. And it'll appear right here. It says welcome to our store. If I click on it, I can edit the color scheme. And I can also go to theme settings to add the theme itself. Now in the theme settings here, I can edit the like social media accounts. Now let's go here to theme settings. You have settings for the logo. I can select an image as the logo. You can upload an image. Let's select this random image, for example, as our website logo. And you can edit the logo width right here. As you can see, the logo now replaces the text since at first we haven't added a logo. Now I can add a favicon image. I can select the colors. Sorry, let's scroll up. Here I can add a color scheme in the color scheme that I selected. For the body, let's select the text color. Let's make it red, for example. As you can see, it changes right here. The solid button label, let's make it like blue. The outline button, let's make it blue as well. And the background, we can change it to like a yellowish color. And as you can see, I'm like selecting each element and editing the looks of it. Now let's go back to theme settings. You can, in the typography, you can edit the fonts here. For the heading, let's change the font to this one, for example. Okay, select it. For the body, let's change the font. As you can see, it will reflect right here in a second. Let's choose this one, for example. Select it. And as you can see here, it now reflects here in the body. And you can also edit the font size. And here's the progress bar that will load up the font size. Okay, let's change this one to a more like pronounced one. Select it. And as you can see, it changes right here. Now, here you can select the layout to change the page width, the space between template sections. You can increase it if you want to. Okay, it will apply in a second. And here you can add horizontal space or vertical space. You can add animations if you want to. So vertical lift or 3D lift. Let's add a 3D lift. In the buttons, you can edit the thickness of the buttons. So the buttons that say like buy or add to cart, you can decrease the opacity of the buttons. Okay, or increase the opacity if you want to. And here you can edit the corner radius for the buttons and the shadows and so on. And here you can add edit all the elements like drawers, badges, brand info, social media. So let's edit the social media. You can add your social media links for various social media platforms here. And it'll appear at the bottom. So in the footer, let's click on the footer to add social media items. Here, the color scheme, let's change it for the footer. And you can add email signup, show email signup. It'll show up right here where your clients can enter the email to sign up to your newsletter. You can enable follow on shop. And you can show social media icons. And to show your social media icons, you need to go to theme settings. Go down to social media and add your social media links. So like Facebook, you can add here your Facebook page. So let's add like a random Facebook address. So facebook.com/mypage. And as you can see, once you enter your URL or your link to your social media, to your Facebook, the Facebook icon appears right here. You can do the same with Instagram. So instagram.com/mypage. And the Instagram icon should appear right here next to Facebook, and as it is here. You can click on them to edit the social media icons. Here you can select to show them or no. They'll show in a section or at the bottom right here. And of course, any changes that you make, you need to save. So once you make all your changes, click on save right here to save your changes to your Spotlight theme on your Shopify store. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to edit the Spotlight theme for your Shopify store.